Hey, good day everyone. Today I will share it with you one of my preferred songs because of the lyrics rectify beauty of the relationship with in-depth meaning and entangled with promises. I Want to Grow Old with You by Westlife gives us the power to hold strings, especially when you are in a long distance relationship. The melody itself appeases or pacifies our senses to falling in love every day. Take note with that. So, giving life and splendor to this song, I requested my former club member in dramaturgy, Mr. Nullian, to highlight his talent in singing. And don't forget to follow and subscribe him on his YouTube channel to amaze his desired song. So again, good day everyone. Enjoy listening to this song.
5, 6, 7. Another day without your smile. Another day just passes by. But now I know how much it means for you to stay right here with me. The time we spent apart will make our love grow stronger. But it hurts so bad I can't take it any longer. No, I wanna grow old with you. I wanna die lying in your arms. I wanna grow old with you. I wanna be looking in your eyes. I wanna be there for you, sharing in everything you do. I wanna grow old with you. 1,000 miles between us now. It causes me to wonder how my love tonight remains so strong. It makes our risk right all along. The time we spend apart will make our love grow stronger. But it hurts so bad I can't take it any longer. 'Cause I wanna grow old with you. I wanna die lying in your arms. I wanna grow old with you. I wanna be looking in your eyes. I wanna be there for you, sharing in everything you do. I wanna grow old with you. I wanna grow old with you. No, I wanna die lying in your arms. I wanna grow old with you. I wanna be looking in your eyes. I wanna be there for you, sharing in everything you do now. I wanna grow old with you. Thank you po, Sir Solion.